Ever wonder how to get that stunning, Lightroom-esque color grading for your videos, giving them that polished, professional look? Today, we're diving into how to color grade your video footage, making it pop just like your best photographs. First, you'll need professional video editing software. Popular choices include DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, or Final Cut Pro, all equipped with similar powerful color correction tools. Our first step is always white balance correcting. This ensures your colors are true to life, removing any unwanted color casts. Next, let's dial in the exposure and contrast. These foundational adjustments set the overall brightness and depth of your shot, giving it immediate impact. Then, fine-tune your highlights and shadows. This step is crucial for recovering detail in overexposed bright areas and lifting information from the darkest parts of your image. Now, the fun part: using the color wheels or individual color sliders. This is where you can meticulously manipulate specific hues, saturation, and luminance to achieve your desired aesthetic, just like in Lightroom. For an instant artistic touch, explore LUTs or lookup tables. Many video editors support these presets that can instantly apply a consistent, stylized look to your entire video, often mimicking popular photographic styles. By mastering these adjustments, you can transform your raw footage into cinematic masterpieces, mirroring the precise control you love from your favorite photo editing tools. So go ahead, experiment with these techniques and elevate your video content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.